If you've got out of your BMW 2 Series, this is a 2025 model, and you realise that one of the kids or somebody has left a window open, you don't have to go back into the car, you can do it from your key. So if you were to hold down the lock button for a few seconds, you will see that the window will go up. So I'm holding it down now, and there you go, the window's gone up. Now, it's also useful in the summer. If you want to air your car a little bit before getting into it, then you can hold down unlock and it will open up all the windows. So I'm holding it down now, and you can see that they're all opening. And then we can also lock the car and close all of them as well by holding down the lock key. As well, when you're going to open them, you don't have to open them fully. You can stop at whatever level you want. So that's everything closed. Now, if we were just to unlock them, and let's say if I just wanted it a little bit, I could stop it now, and you can see it will stop at that level there. So it's nice that you can control the windows on your key fob here. Thanks for watching.